Welcome to the world of technology that connects people. I am here to present my Connect 4 game created by me using the C programming language. Writing these nearly 1000 lines of code was an undescribable challenging as it was my first project. Now let's run on the program. Let's turn off the background music to ensure clear communication. Here you can see the home page belonging 5 buttons. Now let's introduce the 5 buttons. The second button option opens the option menu where we can choose from different game variation. In my Connect 4 game, there are two board sizes, each with distinct colors and objectives. It has been explained more in the Contact Us buttons. And you can see the explanation and the author's credit. Back to the home page and let's introduce the setting button. Here you can we have the music button. Clicking it reveals three options for different background music. Now check. This music was different from the previous one. Now back to the home page and let's dive into the play button. Here we'll find two options, player 1 and player 2. Player 1 will be played player versus computer and player 2 is will be played player 1 versus player 2. Now let's play two players. It's player 1's turn. Clicking initiate player second player's turn, displaying yellow disc. And now the turn of first player. The objective is simple. If player 1 connects 4 discs of the same color horizontally, but diagonally, vertically before the opponent, then player 1 will wins. Remember, player versus player will be highly competitive while playing two person. Let's finish a match. And player 1 wins. Back to the home page and play one player. As the second player turns will be handled by the computer and first player playing by me. Let's finish a match. Player 1 wins. Now back to the home page and let's change the variation by clicking on the 8 by 9 grid. I click on the 8 by 9 grid buttons, back, play, and I am now going to player 1 means player versus computer. Here's the turn of player 1 and the second turn is being handled by the computer. Let's finish a match. And in these variations, 8 by 9 grid, I have to connect 6 of the same color disc before the opponent. As the 5 colors, same. So if I put a blue disc on this button, then player 1 will wins. Now check and player 1 win. Back and I am about to play two players. As the first player and the green button will be clicked by the second player. Let's finish a match. And I am trying to finish the match to match the 6 of same green disc diagonally. Here are 4 of the same color disc and I need 2 of more same color disc. 5 Ds at the at these diagonals. I need one more. And this is if I put green disc here, pillar 2 will wins and done. So pillar 2 options will be highly competitive if these variations will be played by two players. Back to the home page. Innovating and developing this Connect 4 game has been a remarkable journey. The Connect 6 game was totally a new concept done by me. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. And yes, it was my first presentational video, so please pardon my mistake and bad accent. Now I am about to quit the game, clicking on the quit button.